So we're going to be doing legs today for 5 minutes. So make sure that you foam roll your hamstrings and your quads, as well as your calves, just for about a minute or two to help release any tightness there. The exercises are going to be focused on the posterior chain. So again, it's going to be about 5 minutes long. If you need to take a few seconds, to adjust your posture, feel free to do so. There's no reason to rush through the exercises. You can always just pause the video and resume whenever you feel ready. And make sure that you are contracting your core and your glutes through every single repetition. And what you're gonna need as well is a resistance band, and you wanna anchor it to either a heavy table, a heavy chair, or if you have a heavy dumbbell. And we're going to be doing some hip hinges with the resistance band instead of the weights, because this week we're going to keep it a little bit more lower impact and we're going to be using only bands and body weight exercises, but later on we are going to start using more weights. But this is just another great low impact variation if you don't feel comfortable using weights right now. You can definitely do your workout with the resistance band. You just have to anchor it to something heavy. So set your timer or do the workout with me, or you can also just watch the exercises and you can do them at your own pace.
To see people unified.